Hello friends, this video is brought to you by www.muayteaching.com.
So far we have obtained the solution of a linear equation in two variables algebraically. Now let us look at their geometrical representation. Consider a linear equation in two variables, say x plus 2y equal to 6, and let us find its solution. We can write x equal to 6 minus 2y. Then corresponding to values of y, we can get x, and hence we can have a table. Say y equal to 0, then x is equal to 6. For y equal to 1, we get x equal to 4. For y equal to 2, x is equal to 2. For y equal to 3, we get x equal to 0, and so on. We can take out as many values we want. Now these entries can be considered as points 6, 0, 4, 1, 2, 2 and 0, 3, where x coordinate is the abscissa and y coordinate is the ordinate. We have learned in our previous chapter how to plot the points on the graph paper. So now let us take a graph paper. Take scale as 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit and prepare the graph. Now plot the points. 6, 0 lies on the x-axis as x coordinate is 6 and y coordinate is 0. Next is 4, 1, x coordinate 4, y coordinate 1. Next is 2, 2, and the last one is x coordinate 0 and y coordinate 3. Now let us join these points. On joining, we get a line. Say we call it AB. Then we can say that any point on this line, we can also extend it, will satisfy the equation x plus 2y equal to 6 and will be a solution of this equation. To check our statement, say we draw a perpendicular on the line AB from x equal to 3 and also from this point on the y-axis, and find the coordinates of the point where it is intersecting the line. From the graph we can see that coordinates of this point are 3 and 1.5. Now let us check whether x equal to 3 and 1.5 is the solution of x plus 2y equal to 6. So let us substitute x equal to 3 and y equal to 1.5 in the left hand side of our equation. We have x equal to 2y, this is equal to 3 plus 2 into 1.5, which is equal to 3 plus 3, which is equal to 6, which is equal to right hand side. So x equal to 3 and y equal to 1.5 is a solution of the equation x plus 2y equal to 6, and hence our statement that every point a, b on the line gives a solution x equal to a and y equal to b of the equation. Secondly, we state that every point whose coordinates satisfy the equation will lie on this line AB. That means if we take any value of y and find the value of x, then that particular point will lie on this line AB. Thirdly, any point that does not lie on this line is not a solution of the equation. For example, point 1, 0 will not satisfy this equation. You can check by substituting in the left hand side. And lastly, a linear equation is so called as its geometrical representation. Let us read the question. Given the point whose coordinates are 1 and 2, find the equation of a line on which it lies. How many such equations are there? That means we have to find a linear equation whose solution is 1, 2. One example of such a linear equation is x plus y equal to 3. Since 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Another equation can be y minus x equal to 1. Since 2 minus 1 equal to 1, that's why we are taking 1. Another example can be y equal to 2x, as it also satisfies the coordinates of the point 1, 2. In fact, we can say that there are infinitely many linear equations which are satisfied by the coordinate 1, 2. Let us read the question. Draw the graph of x plus y equal to 7. Firstly, let us find the solution of this equation. We can transport y to the other side, then x is equal to 7 minus y. Now we can find the values of x for corresponding values of y. If we take y equal to 0, then x is equal to 7 minus 0 gives x equal to 7. Next solution can be for y equal to 1, x is equal to 7 minus 1, that is 6. For y equal to 2, x will be 7 minus 2, that is equal to 5, and hence 5. Say for y equal to 7, x will be 0. So we have the coordinates of the point as 7, 0, 6, 1, 5, 2 and 0, 7. Now let us plot them on the graph. So after plotting all the points, we join them and get a line such that all the points on this line will be the solution of the equation x plus y equal to 7. Let us read the question. You know that the force applied on a body is directly proportional to the acceleration produced in the body. Write an equation to express this situation and plot the graph of the equation. It is given that force is directly proportional to acceleration. Then let us assume when force applied is y units, then acceleration is x units. This implies that y is directly proportional to x, which can be written as y is equal to kx, where k is a constant. Now, since we do not know what is the value of k, we cannot draw the precise graph of y is equal to kx. But if we take certain value of k, then we can draw the graph. So let us take k is equal to 3. Then our equation becomes y is equal to 3x. And corresponding to values of x, we can find out the values of y. For x equal to 0, y equal to 0. For x equal to 1, y is equal to 3. X is equal to 2, y is equal to 6. For x equal to minus 2, y will be minus 6. Now let us plot the graph. First point is 0, 0. We know that origin is 0, 0. So it is our first point. Next point is 1, 3. So x coordinate 1 and y coordinate 3. Next we plot 2, 6. X coordinate 2, y coordinate 6. And last point is minus 2, minus 6. So minus 2 and minus 6. Now it remains to join these points, and hence we have a graph of y is equal to 3x, and we come to the conclusion that the graph of the equation y is equal to kx is a line which always passes through the origin. Let us read the question. For the given graph, select the equation whose graph is from the choices given below. In the first part, we are given 4 equations and we have to find out that the given graph represents which of these equations. To find it out, we observe that the given line passes through the point 1, 2, 0, 0 and minus 1, minus 2. All these points should satisfy the equation of which this is a graph. So let us start with the first equation. We have x plus y equal to 0. Now since line passes through the point 1, 2, let us substitute x equal to 1 and y equal to 2 in the left hand side. We get 1 plus 2 equal to 3. But according to the equation, x plus y is equal to 0. So left hand side is not coming out to be equal to right hand side. That means this is not a graph of x plus y equal to 0. Let us check for the second equation. We have y is equal to 2x. It passes through 1, 2. So let us substitute x equal to 1 and y equal to 2. Our left hand side will be equal to y equal to 2 and right hand side is 2x, which is equal to 2 into 1. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. That means for point 1, 2, equation y is equal to 2x is satisfied. Let us check for 0, 0. If we put x equal to 0, we will get y equal to 0. So again the equation is satisfied. If we put x equal to minus 1, we get y equal to 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. So again the equation is satisfied. Hence we can say that this is a graph of y is equal to 2x. And in the answer we can write that graph is of the equation y is equal to 2x. Also, it is worth noticing that all the 3 points will not satisfy y is equal to x, and they will also not satisfy y is equal to 2x plus 1. So we can say that the given graph is not of the equation y equal to x and y equal to 2x plus 1.